Our principles cannot be bribed with money, power, and influence. It will not be forgotten. It has been my greatest honor in my 21 years. It has been my greatest honor to stand and fight for my country, my fellow men, my family, and for my father who loved me into the woman I am today. Bago siya kinuha sa akin, the night before it happened, magkatabi pa kaming natulog. I asked him, Dada, what's gonna happen to you? And as a father who didn't want his baby girl to worry, he responded with his usual phrase, Sus, wala yan, maniwala ka dyan. To my daughter Rudy, who will be watching this later, pinalangga ka ni Kitty, ayaw na kalimti. Know that I remain unafraid, unbent, and unswayed, just like you. Your battle is my battle. Mabuhay ka at mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
I love you too.
Muli kong iaabot ang personal na mensahe ni Tatay Digong para sa bawat Pilipino. Sabi niya, exercise your right to vote and do so wisely. My warmest greetings of love to every Filipino. Mga kababayan,